The very first time I met my Moorlough Mary, it was in the market of sweet Strabane. Her killing glances bereft my senses, the hearts of young men she did trepan. Her killing glances bereft my senses of all peace or comfort both night and day, while in silent slumber I wake and murmur, oh, Moorlough Mary, won't you come away? If I were a man of great education, or Erin's lovely isle at my command, I would lay me head on your snowy bosom, in wedlock bands, love, we'd join our hands. I would entertain you both night and morning, fine clothes I'd deck you in both night and day, and with kisses sweet, love, I would embrace you. Oh, Moorlough Mary, won't you come away? On the Moorlough's banks now no more I'll wander, where the heifers graze on the pleasant soil, and the lambkins sporting, fair maids resorting, the timorous hare and blue heather bell. I would press my cheese while my wool's teasing, my ewe's milk I would take at break of day, while a whirring moorcock and lark allures me. Oh, Moorlough Mary, won't you come away? Now are you away to my situation? My recreation is all in vain. On the river moon with the salmon sporting, the rocks re-echoing my plaintive strain, where the thrush and blackbird do join harmonious, their notes melodious on the river bray, and the little songbirds join in the chorus. Oh, Moorlough Mary, won't you come away? Now it's fare you well, my own charming Mary, 10,000 times I bid to you adieu, while life remains in my glowing bosom, I'll never cease, my love, to think on you. Now are you away to some lonely valley, with tears bewailing both night and day, in some silent harbour where none can hear